Hey fellow pyros, the firework guy here. Just picked up this little 200-gram cake, mini Brocade crown waterfall. Great Grizzly. Take a top look at the top here. Warning label. It says we got to aim it to the front of the people, so we got to do that. Little side picture here. Let's look at the performance. I'm going to read it to you guys, but you guys can go ahead and read it. Looks like about 19 seconds, 18 shots. It's like a fan cake. Take a look at the other side. All right, so stay tuned. Right after this portion, I'll go out and shoot this, and we'll see what it does. Be right back.